Alright, everybody. Hello, y'all, everybody. What's going on? So today's video, we doing a photo shoot for Island Works. The man himself, Chris. You always see him in all the other videos, but today we're doing his photo shoot for his clothing apparel. He got the merch. I got it on right now. He got hoodies. He got t-shirts. So we're gonna do the photo shoot for that. Line that up. And yo, stay tuned for the festivities and activities because we're gonna be running on the road, heading to the shoot. So I'm about to link up with him in a little bit.
Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus, yeah. Me think a bus, me have a bus, yeah. A couple bus, some ras bus. Ay, turn on the life, come alive, yes sir. Ay, me have the vibe, yeah the vibe, yes sir. Ay, we outside, outside.
The man just smiling, but yo, right now we're about to do the photo shoot.
We gotta come out, we gotta show off the model.
Alright, check out the model we're working with today. We're doing the Island Works shoot for the release of the apparel.
You already know it's a dual vlog at all times. D Baddest, Island Works, and apparently our pretty sexy model over there, Miss Linda. Look, she's on board to the business. Look, oh, it's not, look, she got on it. I love it. She got it. Yo, why is she complaining, bro? She's complaining, but it's all right. Pretty models always get to complain. Well, I might need that personal picture that one there. Yo, I don't know what to tell y'all. This model got me wanting another car. Watch her now. Watch her now. Yo, I don't think I ever liked my red car so much. You shouldn't have paid me no mind, but me the business. Dual vlog, D Baddest, Island Works, things looking nice, brother. Then you know you got your favorite cameraman right there, doing his thing. I forgot Baddest even took pictures. Yo, you know, say she's a Jamaican just for that, you know? Only Jamaican girl want to say, yo, make sure you get my ass. My girl, you worry about how you look good. Don't worry yourself. I'm not Jamaican. You ain't Tegan? Alright, Island girl. See, look, then you in the perfect shirt. You an Island girl in an Island Works shirt. Things perfect. Yo, Antigua, please forgive me. I tried to claim her for Jamaica. She's an Antiguan, I'm sorry. Baddest gives the best directions in his Air Jordans. Yo, Baddest, yo, you look like a fucking Star Wars character. When you got the hood over your head. You look like a Star Wars character with a... wait for the camera. Boom!
Oh my God.
Yeah. It's an island king fight.
Take shots back.
My bad, people. I'm supposed to turn the camera to face her. 2 seconds.
You could go inside. No? Oh, you can press it for her.
The red pops more on 3-year-old.
So, this guy got me cracking up because I'm watching how he vlogging on my camera instead of using his, but it's all good.
You know, say your boy Dre got the best jokes ever. Funniest man alive right after Kevin Hart. You know what I'm saying?
That works. Nice. So the model is now, she's getting warmed up. It's not bad. So it's not that bad out here, but honestly, I think it's warmer than Thanksgiving, but we have a little breeze.
No, definitely warmer than Thanksgiving. Definitely warmer than Thanksgiving.
So when we was doing the Toys for Tots decals, yeah, this is much better than that day. But you know, we have a little Mr. Rain catch the view.
I think that's what it is. The rain is what makes it cool.
Yeah.
Because it wasn't raining that day. It was freezing.
So catch the view we got over here. Lucky the GoPro is waterproof. I said lucky the GoPro is waterproof.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. She's over there smiling on her phone, blah. Catching like this.
Well, have the position is so long got us. Come now.
Not only that, you want them slide?
Make sure we got a little button.
Yo, she said, yo, we gonna Photoshop all these photos.
Photoshop this shit.
Why all girls only worry about their body? My girl, go do some squats. That's why I get the big body. Squats and collard green.
You just look up your feet.
Point proven.
No, I want to put you like that though.
People, I just heard a nice broom. I don't know where it came from. Hold on, I want to see. Yo. Look, I told you it's the M5 because he's always over here. Yo. I know I heard an M5. I know I heard one. Hold on. I gotta be nosy. M5, the panos mayo. I'm pretty sure M5. But anyway, back to the realness. Watch your model now. Yo, she said she one of them impatient models.
Real life dolly.
Listen, she one of them impatient models. She don't want to wait for the edited picture. She said she want one picture right now, punch it forward, right now. So that's all the pictures we're gonna do while outside? Or on the outside of the car? Where?
Worst manager ever.
Yo, pull in the line up.
Oh my God, I'm going to work.
What? Yo, go straight. back at it. Sorry about that, y'all. Nose is running a little bit. But anyway, we're out here with one of the nicest models I've ever met. Take that back, not the nicest, but one of the nicest. She ain't the nicest, but one of the nicest.
Here we go, we talking shit.
I ain't talking shit, yo. I used to do, yo, you think you're the only one that's a model? I used to model too. I know a lot of models. And I think that you are definitely top tier nice. I just don't think you are the nicest.
I am nice.
I said you're nice. I just don't think you're the nicest I've ever met. Anyway, you see, look, I tell you, send me out college trouble now. But it's your favorite Rasta man, or both of us actually, and we enjoying the thing, man. So, yo, Badis, you have any words for the people?
I'm working right now.
Oh, he said, all right. He said, work before play. Versus for me, I do both at the same time. Look at my model, man. Model nice, man.
What about you? This chair too.
Don't catch these ugly ass socks.
I ain't worried about your socks. Take time because I go to the sunroom and pose up for a picture. Nice. United over here always got to be part of the festivities. Ah, see, that works. The battery I did on this, but here we go. You can hold that line. Catch this.
Yo, only at Island Auto Works do we make the girls them pop out the sunroof. Yo, she should let me do a burnout while her sitting like that. Yo, when I bring the E90 out, that's what we're gonna do. You have to stand just like that while I do a burnout. No, man, you definitely can't. I want it. Should I sit down? Yeah, bad man. Yeah, by this. You know what it is? She don't like me. That's why she doing this to me. Because if it was you, she wouldn't do this. Improvise Maras. Yeah, I think this one. No, this one not dead. I need all of these pictures.
Since you taller, we're gonna keep that pose and catch you.
Alright, no problem.
That too.
Don't worry about it.
But stay where you at and just be up there high.
No, I'll turn it off. No. Stay where I'm at, brother. Let me stay where I'm at. This is my normal height. You gotta tell me which button.
Oh. Well, I ain't tell you that part. That's
Right.
cool though.
Is that good?
Go ahead. So you ain't press it. There you go.
I didn't press it hard enough.
Alright, back up a little bit. Well, you doing good. I'm here taking a break. Look who I got.
You know the
Taking
camera's
pictures.
off, right?
Huh?
Is the camera off?
Oh, it was? Close it. Go ahead, now it's recording. Look who's working.
Yo, hold on. You didn't realize the camera didn't have my girl, please just
Yo, I'm not used to this new technology, you know, brother.
She put it on.
That's why I asked her. She's very photogenic.
I think I'm a permanent model if she wants to.
I'm one of your oldest models.
Probably.
38.
Wait, so what do you call that? Is that a model?
Huh?
That's a model.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're doing the game for a while. See, you're taking pictures of me while I'm rolling.
Yo, I want this photo.
My boots and my jacket and that's it.
Being that I was here working, this man was using the camera, catching all the good stuff.
I'm
Yes.
stuff
But
around.
when we
that's
got
a
it,
wrap.
but it's not a wrap.
Oh.
That's it. We're
Yeah.
done. We can spin out, walk away, and leave all that good stuff.
Oh yeah.
So go inside, slam the door. You losing your mind.